Okay, so now we're going to take a look at Rosyth School mid-year 2019 primary 4 paper for the question that you have asked me. So I'll just go through it systematically one by one. Those questions circled in red are the question you need answers from me.
Okay.
So I'm going to go through question 3. Question 3 is the first question, right? So because I don't have the answer key with me for this paper, I'm just going to do the question. Okay, it says that 8 is a common factor of which one? Common factor.
8 is a common factor of 4 and 8.
No, you are talking about common factor. Okay, 4 and 8, right? Unless this question is changed to 8 is a common multiple. If this word factor changed to multiple, right?
Yeah.
Then the answer you just gave me is correct. But the question is saying 8 is a common factor. Factor, we're talking about factor. Factor of?
8 and 24?
Yes, 8 and 24. Answer is number 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then after that, I'm going to continue the lesson. Question 7. When a number is divided by 4, it has a quotient of 308 and a remainder of 2. What is the number? You know what to do? You know what to do?
No.
If you know what to do, you can tell me what to do.
No.
Okay. This number, you don't know what this number is, right? A particular number, right?
Yeah.
I divide by 4. It has a quotient of 308 and remainder 2. So what is question mark? How to find question mark?
308 times 4.
Very good. After times 4, must you do?
Equals.
Equal to some number. Then after you get that some number, what must you do?
That's the answer.
You need to add a 2. Because there's a remainder of 2.
Oh, okay.
Oh, understand now?
Yeah.
You know what to do now?
Yes.
Okay, let's times 4. 308 times 4. Let's do together.
8 times 4 equals 32.
Very good.
Then you put 3 on top.
So imagine there's a 3 here.
0 times 4 equals 0, but plus the 3 equals 3. Then 4 times 3 equals 12.
Very good. Then after that,
plus 2.
You need to add a 2. What's the final answer?
Number 4.
Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so this question clear. Let's move on to the next one. Number 9. What is the missing improper fraction? Improper, the keyword improper fraction in the diagram below. So you see this number line, right, is divided by 3, right? Between 0 to 1, there are 3. space or 3 gaps.
Okay.
So each gap represent how many?
Each gap represent 1.
1
over 3.
Yes. So 1 you can rewrite as 3/3.
Okay.
Correct? Are you aware 1 can be rewritten as 3/3?
Yes.
You're aware, this is a very important concept. Okay, 1 can be rewritten as 3/3. So each space, right, or each gap or each line is 1/3. So I have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. This one is how many?
4/3.
4/3. Then the question mark is
1 5/3.
you think carefully. You see the number sequence. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. This one will be
5/3.
5/3.
But there's
So
a 1 in front.
5/3 is 1 and 2/3.
Oh, okay.
Because you see, there's a 1 in front, right? There is a 1/3, 2/3. So 1 and 2/3. 1 and 2/3 is 5/3. 5/3. Understand?
Okay.
So question mark, right? Question mark is 5/3. And they're asking for improper fraction. So it's 5/3.
Okay.
Okay, understand now?
Yes.
These are important concepts. Then, okay, now let's move on to the next question. Very good. Number 11, you could do. Number 11 is fraction, and you could do. You got it right. So that means your fraction is improving. You know what I mean?
Yes.
11 you could do, right? Because it's a fraction and you got it right. So you could do 11. That's a good improvement. Okay, question 14. Well, let me see am I doing the recording properly? Yes, I am. Sometimes I press record already, never record. I don't know. Have to make sure it's properly recorded. Okay, 14. Direction again. Direction, we've been doing it for quite some time. So right now, our friend Simon, right, is facing north. North is this direction, right?
Yeah.
So he's facing north, this direction. 135 clockwise. Clockwise is this way, or this way. Blue or red? Sorry.
Red.
Hold on. Actually, it's the same direction. Hold on. Let me clear my drawing. Undo. Clockwise is red or blue?
Red.
Red, right? Clockwise is red. So,
Yeah.
so the blue is anti-clockwise.
Yes.
So clockwise is red. Then 135 clockwise. So from here, then you count each one is how many? Each one is 45. Am I right?
Yes.
So 45, 90, 135. 135 will stop here, right?
Yes.
So which direction will he face?
Southeast.
Southeast. Oh, you know why? Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. That's southeast. Okay, question 18. 65,945, right? I want to round this off to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Which number will I be looking at? Nearest 100. Which number should I be looking at to decide whether I round up or round down? Which number?
Number the 100.
Yeah, so it's which number?
900.
So if you round, you should round up or round down?
Round up.
Round up.
Round down.
You should round down. Because you look at number.
No, because number 4 is a small number.
It's less than 5, so you round down.
You round down, then equals 0, 0.
Yes. Okay, but right now, let's say A is this answer. Then B, nearest 1,000. What must you do? So if it's nearest 1,000, which number should you look at? Nearest 100 is 659,000. This is nearest 100.
Round down.
Nearest 1,000, you should round
Down.
Round down again, no. Because you see, nearest 1,000
round up, round up.
Nearest 1,000, you should look at which number?
Number 5.
You should look at number 9, nearest 1,000. What do I mean by look at number 9? You look at this number, is it more than 5? Is 9 more than 5? Is 9 more than 5? 9 is more than 5, right? If 9 is more than 5, what must you do when you round up? What must you do to this number 5?
Round down.
You should round up.
Round
up. The 5 should change to?
5 should change to 0.
5 should change to 6 because you're rounding up. You round up, how could you change to 0? 5 you should change to 6 because 5 after 5 you plus 1 is 6, right? So
yeah,
you change to 6. 66,000. And you look at number 9 to decide you round up or round down. You look at the number that's in the thousands place, I mean the 100 place. Nearest 1,000, you look at 100 place. Nearest 100, you look at tens place.
Okay.
Understand now?
Yes.
To decide whether you round up or round down. If it's 5, you round up. If it's 5 or more, you round up. Less than 5, which is 4 and less, you round down.
Okay.
Okay. Question 21. You just multiply, you just do the multiplication and find this question mark.
I put number 8, not number 7.
Yeah, but why is it number 8?
7 times 8.
7 times 8 is how many?
7 times 8 equals 56.
56 plus 1, because 2 times 7 is 14.
I
2
put
times 7, 14, there's a 1 here.
I put 58.
So there's a set, it's a 7. The missing digit is a 7.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
23. The mass of a tablet is 825 grams. So 20 such tablet, what must you do? What must you do?
8 to 5 times 20.
Very good. 825 times 20.
I write 164100.
Okay, let's see. Let's investigate. So you times 20, right? What you have? Let's do this together. 5 times 0 is how many?
5 times 0 equals 0.
0. Then after that?
0, 0.
2 times 0 is 0.
Yes.
8 times 0?
0.
It's also 0. Everything is 0. And 5 times 2?
5 times 2 equals 10.
10. So do I put the 0 here or 0 is here?
The other one.
This
The
one?
second one.
This one, middle one.
Yeah, middle one.
Then after that, 5 times 2 is 10, right? Where do I put the 1?
On top.
On top here. Then 2 times 2 is how many?
2 times 2 equals 4.
4. So do I write a 4 here?
Yes.
No, you plus 1.
Oh. Equals 5.
Yes, you need to plus the 1. Then after that?
After that,
8 times 2?
8 times 2 equals 16.
So I write
And
a
then
16
you put
here.
16 there. Then you add together.
So add together, what's the answer I have?
16500.
Yes, 16500. That's the answer. It's a very easy question, just multiply. Another method is 825 times 2. Then you plus a 0 behind. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 times 2, 16. 1650. Then you times 10. Then you add a 0 behind. Okay? That's another method. 24. So Corinne and Linda has 996 stickers. Corinne has 3 times as many stickers as Linda. How many stickers does Linda have? What must you do?
Divide.
Okay, tell me what divide by what?
996 divided by 2.
No, you don't divide by 2.
Divide by.
In this case, you don't know divide by what, right? You draw model to decide. You draw model. Do you even draw the model?
Yes.
3 times, right?
Yeah.
The question said 3 times, right?
Yes. I divide by 2 because got 2 people.
In this case, you should divide by
3.
You should divide by how many?
4.
Divide by 4. You know why?
Yes.
From the model,
So
you
there's
can
4
tell.
units.
That's 4 units. You divide by 4. So what is 996 divided by 4?
996 divided by 4 is 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals 36.
No, this one is divide.
Oh.
9 divided by 4.
Oh, then put 2 on top.
2 on top.
And then 8 below. Minus equals 1. Then bring down the 8. Then 4 times what equals 18? Cannot. So 4
Bring
times
down
4.
the 8. Are you sure bring down the 8? Bring down the 9.
Bring down the 9. Bring down the 9. Then after that cannot, because then you do 4 times 4 equals 16. Then minus equals 3 left. Then bring down the 6. Then 4 times 1 equals 36. 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. Then minus equals 0.
So answer is
249.
249. Okay, you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, 25. How many fifths are there in one whole? Do you know what is fifth?
No.
Fifth is 1/5. Fifth means 1/5. So how many 1/5 are there in one whole? How many fifths are there in one whole?
1.
No. Fifths there. How many fifths are there in one whole?
5.
5. Because 5/5 is one whole. So 5 fifths. 5 fifths is equal to one whole. So it's 5. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay, write this as a mixed number. 15/4 as a mixed number equal to
Equals to 434.
So what must you write as the mixed number?
434.
434.
Yeah.
434.
Yes.
434.
No.
No, right?
4 3/4.
4 and 3/4. No. 15/4 means what? What does this 9 means? What does this 9 means? I told you before. This 9 line in the middle stands for?
Over.
Over stands for what? It stands for divide. 15 divided by 4. So what is 15 divided by 4?
15 divided by 4 is 3.
3, okay. Remainder?
2.
That's a remainder. Remainder is not 2. Remainder
Remainder 3.
remainder is 3. Because you're dividing by 4, right? So over 4. 3 3/4. Understand?
Okay.
You got to see 15 divided by 4, right? Is 3. Remainder 3, right? So 3/4.
Okay.
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 Next question, 29. In the box, there are 20 marbles. 8 marbles are blue. The rest are red. Question, how many red marbles are there?
20 minus 8.
Very good. 20 minus 8 equal to?
13.
20 minus 8 is not?
12.
12. Red marbles is 12, right? So there are 12 red marbles, 20 marbles altogether. What fraction is red? What is the fraction that's red? There are 12 red marbles.
12 over 20.
12 over 20. But they want it in simplest form. So what must you do?
12 over 20 divide by 2.
If I divide by 2 top and bottom, right, I got 6/10. Is 6/10 the simplest form?
No.
So what must you do?
Divide by 2 again.
Divide by 2 again.
Then equals 3/5.
Yes. Another way, 12/20, you divide by 4. Top and bottom divide by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 3/5, 3/5. Okay, get it now?
Yes.
Okay, 30. In a relay race, Java ran half kilometer. His friend Kevin ran half kilometer further than he did. Okay, what's the distance that Kevin ran?
The distance that Kevin ran is 1/2.
No, Kevin ran 1/2 further than Java.
Then Java plus Kevin equals 2/2.
2/2 is how many kilometers?
1.
1 kilometer. So Kevin ran 1 kilometer, right?
Yeah.
What's the distance that Java run?
The distance that Java ran is 1/2.
1/2 km. So altogether, they run how many?
They ran 2/2.
No.
1/2.
1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/2. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. 1.5. Okay. 31. Okay. Chun Woon had some money. You don't know how much. He spent 5/7 of the money and had $14 left. So 5/7 of the money, right? So
Yeah.
you draw model. How many parts I need to draw?
7.
Yes. Spend 5/7. Then you shade 5/7 of it. No? You shade 5 boxes. So he spent this amount, right?
Yeah.
So this is left, right? 14 left. So how much money she have at first? So this is how many units?
5/7 plus 14.
Wrong. Your concept is totally wrong. It's not this fraction plus 14. No. Okay. She spent 5/7. So left with how much? What's the fraction that's left here? You tell me how many units represent 14?
2 units.
2 units represent 14. So 1 unit is?
1 unit is 7.
1 unit is 7. How many units am I looking at?
1 unit.
At first is how many units?
7 units.
So 7 units equal to?
Equals 7 times 7.
7 times 7.
Equals 49.
49. That's the amount of money she had at first. Okay?
Okay.
Understand now this one?
Yes.
32. Okay, Amber had 40 stickers. She used 2/5 of them on Monday and the rest on Tuesday. How many stickers did she use on Tuesday? Same thing, you should draw model. So how many boxes I need to draw?
5.
5 boxes. Then you draw 5 boxes. These 5 boxes represent 40 stickers. Okay, 5 boxes represent 40 stickers. She used 2/5 on Monday. So how many boxes I need to shade?
2.
You shade 2, very good, because 2/5 you use on Monday.
Okay.
Then the rest on Tuesday, right? So this is the rest. So Tuesday, what's the fraction she used? What's the fraction that she used on Tuesday? How many units are there?
For 3 units.
3 units. You need to find 3 units, right?
Yeah.
So 3 units, can I say is 3/5?
Yes.
3/5. I want to find out 3/5 of the stickers is how many, right?
Yeah.
So what must I do here? 3/5. What must I do with 3/5?
3/5.
3/5 of the stickers. So 3/5. You see, of the stickers, how many stickers she has?
5.
She has 40 stickers. 5 units, but 40 stickers. 5 units represent 40 stickers.
Oh.
So 3/5 of the stickers. What must you do to find 3/5 of the stickers?
3/5 3/5 times 40.
Yes, 3/5 times 40. Very good. What's the answer? What must you do to times 5 and 40? Can I cancel? Can I cancel the 5 and 40? Can or cannot? 40 divided by 5 is how many?
40 divided by 5 equals 8.
8. Therefore, I can cancel my 5 and my 40. 5 I cancel become 1. 40 I cancel become 8. Because both numbers, right? Both numbers that I'm canceling, right? I'm dividing it by 5. So what do I have here? I have 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equal to?
3 times 8 equal to 24.
24. So how many stickers you use on Tuesday?
24 stickers.
24. Okay, she used 24 stickers on Tuesday. Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, 33. Okay, Wei Zong had $48. He spent half his money on books, 1/4 of his money on transportation. How much money did he spend altogether? So what is the fraction of his money that he spent? What must you do to find the fraction of his money that he spent?
1/4 plus 1/2
Very good.
equals 6/8.
Equals 6/8. Another way is half you don't use over 8. Half you use 2/4. Half you can change it to 2/4. Because the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. First common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. So you can use 4, no need to use 8.
Okay.
So it's 3/4. So 3/4, he spent 3/4 of his money. So how much money he spent altogether? What must you do? You already have the fraction. You have the total amount. So what must you do?
Put in simplest form.
No, this is the simplest form already. What must you do? You have the fraction that he spent. You have the total amount that he has originally. So you want to find out how much money he spent, right? What must you do? Similar concept as above, the other question, the question that I just went through with you.
Three over 4. 3 over 4 times 48.
Very good. 3 over 4 times 48. Can I cancel my 4 and 48? Can I cancel my 4 and 48?
Yes.
Can,
No.
right? Can, right?
Yeah.
Then 4, I rewrite it as 4 divided by 4 is how many? What is the common factor of 4 and 48? The highest common factor. Highest common factor of 4 and 48 is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is?
4 divided by 4 is 4 divided by 4 equals 1.
48 divided by 4 equal to?
48 divided by 4 equals to 12.
12. So now I have 3 times 12, right? 3 times 12 equal to?
3 times 12 equals 3 times 12 equals to 36.
36, very good. So what's the amount of money he spent altogether? How much money he spent?
He spent $36.
$36. Correct. You understand how to get 36 now?
Yeah.
Can I move on already?
Yeah.
34. In a box, there are 8 pens. Okay, in the box, there are 8 pens. 3/4 of the pens in the box are green pens. And the rest are red pens. There are 10 such boxes altogether. So how many red pens are there in a box? How many red pens are there in a box? What must you do?
8 pens.
No, 8 pens is total number of pens. 3/4 of these 8 pens are green. So the amount that's red is, what's the fraction that's red?
The fraction of red is 2 over 4.
1 over 4 to be exact.
Oh.
Because 4 over 4 minus 3 over 4 is 1 over 4.
Okay.
Okay, because in a box it's one whole minus 3/4 is 1/4. 3/4 are green pants, right? So left with 1/4 that's red pants. Clear? 1/4 red pants.
Yeah.
But I'm interested in number of red pants in a box, right?
Yeah.
So number of red pants in a box will be 1/4 multiplied by
1/4 multiplied by 8.
yes, because there's 8 pants in per box. So 1/4 multiplied by 8 equal to
1/4 divided by 8 equals
1/4 times 8. 1/4 times 8, not 1/4 divided by 8.
Oh.
Can I cancel the 4 and 8?
Yes.
Yes, right? So 4 will become
4 will become 32.
no, 4 will become 1. 8 will become 8 divided by 4.
8 will become 4.
8 will become 2. Because 8 divided by 4 is 2.
Oh.
I'm dividing by 4. 4 and 8, both numbers are dividing by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Because 4 is the highest common factor of 4 and 8. Same concept as earlier.
Okay.
Okay? So
Okay.
red pants per box is how many? How many red pants are there per box?
20.
Huh? What is 1 times 2?
1 times 2 equals 2.
2. So how many red pants per box?
2.
2. So how many red pants are there in total? Not per box, now total.
2 plus 8.
No.
10.
How many boxes are there?
10.
10 boxes. Each box there's how many red
Oh,
pants?
then times 2
Times 2. 10
equals
times
20.
2. 20. Get it now?
Yes.
Okay, okay. 36, just use projector and measure. But hold on. They're asking for the size of ABC. ABC is this angle. Okay? ABC is this angle. So ABC is this angle. What must you do to find this angle? You should use
Protractor.
this is the protractor is here. So this angle is how many?
90 degrees.
It's not 90 degrees.
140 degrees.
Okay, this angle is 140.
Yeah.
How about this angle?
140.
No,
Oh, 40.
40. So to find this angle, what must you do?
Use protractor equals 100 degrees.
Yes. 140 minus 40. Okay, 140 minus 40,
Okay.
go to 100 degrees. $37.
Is there a better way? Is there a shorter way to draw 35?
Draw 35.
Yeah.
I mean draw 35.
Question
Oh, this one.
35. Yeah.
Use a ruler to draw the line of symmetry. There's only one line of symmetry.
I took very long to draw this one.
This is the line of symmetry. Yeah, this is the line of symmetry. Okay.
Okay.
This way, not this way. This way is wrong.
Yeah.
Because these two, you see, These two, the gaps is different. Can you see? This one gap, this is two gaps.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 37. Okay, let's do 37. Okay, 37, right? It says that Devi and Esther were each given a piece of ribbon of equal length. So Devi and Esther each given a piece of ribbon of equal length, right?
Yes.
So you draw out the ribbon, no? Equal length. Devi cut the ribbon into shorter pieces, each 4 meters long. So 4 meters, 4 meters, each 4 meters long. You don't know how many 4 meters are there, lah. So there's n number of 4 meters. Okay, the dot 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 means they cut out each 4 meters long.
Okay.
Then Esther cut her ribbons into shorter pieces, each 5 meters long. Each 5 meters long.
Okay.
Okay. None of the girls had any ribbon remaining after that. Find the shortest length. Shortest length is lowest common multiple of 4 and 5.
Okay.
You get it? You understand?
Okay.
Which
Yes.
is equal to
Equals 9.
no, equal to 20. 4 times 5. Because multiple of 4. Can you tell me what are the multiples of 4?
The multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Okay,
20.
that's all. How about multiple of 5?
Multiple of 5.
Can you tell me the multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Yep. Then these two, which one is the common number? Common multiple?
20.
20. So answer is 20. Because they want the shortest, so shortest would be 20.
Okay.
So you find the multiple, lowest common multiple.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
38. So Eddie baked 1,280 muffins for a charity event. He gave 360 muffins to the senior and packed the remaining muffins into boxes of 8. How many boxes did Eddie use? So can you tell me how to find the number of muffins, right? He packed into boxes of 8.
1280 minus 360
Minus 360. What do you have?
equals 20.
Equal to 20.
And after that, 8 times divide by 20 equals 20 again.
No. You minus off equal to how many?
20.
Minus that.
Yeah.
1280 minus 360. What do you have? minus.
1, 2, 2, 0.
Here, 12 minus 3 is how many? What is 12 minus?
Equals 0.
12 minus 3 is 0. No.
No, because the 2 cannot minus the 3. So need to borrow from the 1. Then it means the 1 is 0.
But
then
you don't put a 0 here. What? 12 minus 3 is 9. 920.
Yeah, but I do 2 minus 3.
I know borrow. So 12 minus 3 is 9. You understand?
Okay.
920. But 920 is not the answer. 920 is the muffins he packed into boxes of 8. So how do you find the number of boxes? You should use. How must you do with 920?
Um, 920 divided by 8.
Yes. That's equal to?
Let me check.
Let's do together. 920 divided by 8.
9 times 8 equals 72.
Not times. This is divide.
Oh, then equals 1.
1.
Then not.
Then what must I write here?
Put 8, then minus equals 1. Then bring down the 2.
Then after that?
Then equals 12. Then 8 equals 1 also. Then we put 8 at the bottom. And then after that, 12 minus 8 equals 4. So you bring down the 0. And then 8 times what equals 40. 8 times 10 equals 40.
No. 8 times 10 is not 40.
8. Oh, 8 times 5 equals 40.
8
Then
times
equals
5 is
0.
4.
Then equals 115.
Yep. 115. So how many boxes did Eddie use?
Um,
How many boxes? Eddie used how many boxes?
Eddie used 115 boxes.
Yes, 115 boxes. This question you actually know how to do. Why you couldn't do?
Because of the 12 minus 3.
12 minus 3. You don't know how to do this, man? 1280.
No, I know. It's just that I borrow.
Okay. Then it's 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. If you see like that, you can straight away use 12 minus 3. Faster.
Okay.
$39. Okay, Sin Min collected stamps as part of his hobby. 1/3 of his stamps are from Singapore. 1/6 of his stamps are from China. He had 420 stamps from China. The rest of his stamps are from India. How many stamps are from India? What must you do?
Stamps from India is...
No, the stamps from India you cannot find right now.
Yeah.
There's no way you can find. So what's step number 1? You find the
find the China.
China, he has 420. That's given to you. And they tell you 1/6 of his stamps are from China.
Then 1/6 plus 1/3.
Okay, 1/6 plus 1/3, that's the fraction that is from Singapore and China, right?
Yeah.
Singapore and China is 1/6 plus 1/3. That's equal to, equal to how many?
Equals to 6 times 3, then 3 times 6.
Don't use 6 times 3. You change the denominator to
the same, equals 18.
Don't use 18, already say. Don't use 18. You get very complex.
Oh, then equals 6.
You use over 6. Because 6 is the LCM of 6 and 3.
Then equals 2. You put 1, then put 1, the other one, then equals 2/6.
2/6. Then equal to?
Then equal to
1/6 plus 2/6 is how many?
1/6 plus 2/6 equals 3/6.
3/6. 3/6 lowest term is?
3/6 lowest term is
Convert this to lowest term.
1/3.
1/2.
Oh.
1/2. You know why 1/2?
No.
Because 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2.
Oh, okay.
You're dividing it by 3 on top and bottom because 3 is the highest common factor of 3 and 6.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So Singapore and China is equal to half of its stamps.
Okay.
So the other half is from India, right?
Yeah.
So the other half is India. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, half of his stamps are from India.
Okay.
Okay, 1/6 of his stamps is how many of his stamps? One-sixth of his stamps is equal to?
1/6 of the stamps equals to 2/6.
No. 1/6 of his stamps equal to how many stamps? You see, China, 420. 1/6 of his stamp, China, 420 from China. So 1/6 of his stamps is how many?
1/6 of his stamps equals to 1/2.
Go to 420. Answer is so obvious. You know what I mean?
Yes.
It's very obvious. And some more I highlight to you. 1/6 of his stamps are from China. 420 stamps from China. That is trying to tell you 1/6 of his stamps is 420.
Okay.
Got it now?
Yes.
So you want to find India, right? India, you need to find how many stamps? Half of his stamps, right?
Yes.
Half is equal to?
Half equal to?
How many over 6?
Equals to
equal to 3 over 6. Half is 3 over 6, what? Remember?
Yes.
Huh? Do you remember half is 3 over 6? That's what we did here.
Yes.
So 3 over 6 of his stems, right? So 1/6 of his stems is 420. 3 over 6 of his stems will be equal to how many?
3 over 6 of his stems equals to 2 over 6.
3 times 420. How do you get 2 over 6? What's going through your mind?
Um,
3 over 6 of his stems. Half of his stems is 420. I mean, half of his stems, 1/6 of his stems is 420. So 3 over 6 of his stems will be 3 times 420.
oh,
You get it now?
yes.
So what is 420 times 3?
Equals to 1660.
Wrong. Let's do here. 0 times 3 is
0 times 3 equals 0.
2 times 3,
2 times 3 equals 6.
4 times 3.
12.
It's not 1660, it's 1260.
Oh,
That's how you say 1660, right? That's wrong.
yeah.
1260.
Okay.
Okay, India is 1260.
Okay.
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 This one you're okay. 41.
Can I go to the toilet?
Okay, you come back quickly.
Okay.
Okay, in question 41, right?
Yeah.
Okay, at the carnival, Mr. Riza bought 2 adult tickets and 3 children tickets.
Okay.
At $203. Each adult ticket costs twice as much as a children ticket.
Okay.
How much did he pay for all the children tickets? So let's draw model. If you can't understand algebra, we will draw model. Each adult ticket costs twice as much as a children ticket, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Then he said he bought 2 adults, right?
Yes.
Okay, these are my 2 adult tickets. 3 children. Oh, you get it now?
Yes.
You get it now? So
Yeah.
how many units is 203?
Um.
How many units is 203?
7.
7 units. So 1 unit equal to, what must I do?
1 unit equals to 203 divided by 7.
Yes, 203 divided by 7. So 203 divided by 7, what do you have?
Equals 7 times 2 equals 14. Then put 14 below. Then equals 6. Then bring down the 3. Then 7 times 1 equals 63. 7 times 9 equals 63. Then equals 0.
Yeah. Okay. How much did he pay for all the child tickets? So we must find how many units? Hello, you're still there?
Yes.
So 1 unit is 29, but I want all the child tickets. So how many child tickets are there?
Child tickets.
How many child tickets are there?
29. I mean 29 times 3.
29 times 3. That's the amount.
Equals
What is 29 times 3?
87.
Equal 87. Okay, 29 times 3 is 87.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
42. Okay, Kai had 1,028 marbles more than Shen at first. So same thing, draw model. Kai had 1,008 marbles more than Shen. Yeah, this is at first one. Then Shen give away 400, right? Correct?
Yes.
After Shen give away 400, what happened?
After Shen give away 400,
What happened? What happened
Shen
after
minus
that?
400.
But Shen, Kai had 3 times, right?
Yeah.
So this one divided by 3. I had like that.
Okay.
Like that. Got it now?
Yes.
Then this amount is 400. You understand the model drawing?
Yes.
So 2 units is how many?
2 units is
2 units is how many? Based on the model.
2 units is 1028. Then
1028 plus 400. Can you see?
yes.
1028 plus 400.
Equals 1428.
Yes, 1428.
Then if to find 1 unit, then equals 1428 divided by 2.
Yes. So you know what to do now.
Yeah.
Okay. 1428 divided by 2 is 714.
Okay.
Then how many marbles did Kai have? You need to find 3 units. You need to find 3 units.
3 units equals.
Okay.
Okay.
2142. 714 times 3. 714 times 3, you should know how to do by now. The multiplication. Okay.
Okay.
Can this question you know what to do?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, last question. This is the last question.
No, second
still,
last.
Still got 2 more. Please don't give up on your problem sum like that. Just try.
But
because
problem sum, I don't know how to do.
Try. Think at the same time when you do. Because you give out like that, primary 5, I think, I don't know how you're going to cope. Primary 5, primary 6, half the paper is this kind of question. Do you know that?
No.
Now I tell you, primary 5, primary 6, half the paper is this kind of question. Your PSLE, 55 marks is this kind of question.
Okay.
If you give up, then you fail already. Sure fail already. So don't give up.
Okay.
Okay. Uncle Lee had a total of 125 pears and apples at first.
Okay.
He sold 35 pears and half of the number of apples. There was an equal number of pears and apples in the end. So this one, same thing, pears and apples.
Okay.
Before and after. Pears and apples. You draw the before and after. Okay, he had a total 125 pears apples at first, right?
Yeah.
So 35, half of the number of apples. Okay, there was an equal number of pears and apples in the end. You notice I draw the after model first?
Yes.
Because it's easier to draw and work backwards. So he sold half of the number of apples, right? So original number of apples is twice of this. Since he sell half of it. Then 35 apples, right? 35 pears. This is my 35 pears. He sold 35 and half of it, half of the apples. So altogether is 125. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. You know why that is 1 unit, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you tell me, right? 3 units plus 35 is how many?
3 units plus.
Or 3 units equal to how many?
3 units equals 125 minus 35.
Yes, 125 minus 35. Through the model, you know. 125 minus 35 is how many?
Equals to 85.
No, you minus, you do your working. Equal to how many?
90.
90. 3 units is 90. So 1 unit equal to? 3 units is 90. 1 unit is how many?
1 unit equals 90 divided by 2.
Huh? 90 divided by 2.
No,
90 divided
90
by
divided by 3.
Divided by 3. That's equal to how many?
Equals to
What is 90 divided by 3?
I'm doing it now.
What is 90 divided by 3?
30.
30. So 1 unit is 30. How many pairs were there at first? Pairs at first is? Pairs at first equal
30.
30 plus 35. Because there's 35 here.
65.
Yes. You need to add your 35. Got it?
Yes.
You need to add your 35 back. That's why you go back to the model and see. At first, what? At first is before. So draw model.
Okay.
How much time I take to draw the model?
Very less.
Quite fast, right?
Yes.
You can do the same also. You still got one more question, 44. Okay, 43, okay. Now move on to 44.
Okay.
Okay, Benjamin had some books. He gave 1/3 of his books to Cheryl and 4/9 of them to David. What fraction of the books did Benjamin have left? What must you do? What must you do? Fraction that's left.
Fraction that is left is 1/3 plus 4/9.
Okay, that one is the fraction that's given. You want to find fractions given also can. Okay, we find fraction given first.
Okay.
Fraction that he gave, right?
Yeah.
This one equal to?
Equals to
1/3 is how many?
1/3 equals.
You change the denominator to 9. You know why, right?
Yeah.
Because 9 is the highest common. No, 9 is the lowest common factor of 3 and 9.
Okay.
So you change to 9. You don't change to 27, please.
Okay.
Change to 9. Don't change to 27. Okay, so 1/3 is how many over 9?
Equals to 3.
3 over 9. So what's the fraction that's given? 3 over 9
That
plus
is given is 7/9.
yes, 7 over 9. So what's the fraction that he has left?
7/9.
No, 7 over 9 is given. I gave away 7 over 9. So I left with?
Gave away 7/9.
So I left with how many?
Left with 7/9.
No, I gave away 7 over 9. You see, let's say there's 9 parts here, right?
Yeah.
There's 9 parts here. I gave away 7 over 9.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see those are shade? I give away 7 over 9. So I left with
2.
2 over 9. Get it now?
Okay.
That's why I asked you, I gave away 7 over 9. I left with how many? 2 over 9.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's a fractions he has left. All right?
Okay.
Okay. David received 14 more books than Cheryl.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So he gave 3 over 9 to Cheryl. And he gave 4 over 9 to David. Then he says that David received 14 more books than Cheryl. What does that mean?
It means
That
that
means
they
that means 1 over 9 of it is equal to
1 over 9 of it equals to Benjamin.
equal to 14.
Oh, okay.
Because David received 14 more, right? And from here, the fraction is David received 1 over 9 more, correct?
Yeah.
So 1 over 9 is 14. 1/9 of Benjamin's books is 19. Equal to 14. 1/9 of Benjamin's books is 14.
Okay.
How many books did Cheryl receive from Benjamin? So Cheryl received 3 over 9, right?
Yeah.
So how many books did he receive? 1/9 is 14, right? So 3 over 9 equal to
Equals to
how many? 1 over 9 of Benjamin's books is 14, right? Equal to 14.
Yeah.
So 3 over 9 of Benjamin's books equal to
3 over 9 of Benjamin's book
is equal to,
is equal to
let's say 1 unit. 1 unit is 14. 3 unit is how many?
6 over 9.
No, wrong. No, not 6 over 9. 3 times 14. You understand why? Because
Yes.
1 unit is 14. 3 unit will be 3 times 14.
Okay.
3 times
So
14
3
is
times 14. 3 times 14
equal to 42.
equals to
Equal to 42.
okay. 42.
So how many books did Cheryl receive from Benjamin? How many books did Cheryl receive from
42.
Benjamin? 42.
42.
Got it now? You got it
42.
now? Yeah,
Yeah.
you got it now. So
Yeah.
so now I need you to reattempt all these questions that you have just asked me, especially the problem sum.
Okay.
You reattempt starting from question 41 with question 36, I think. No, 37.
So I do the word problem first.
Yes, you do the word problem first. You do question 37 first.
Okay.
Can you reattempt now?
Okay.
Okay, I stopped the recording now already.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.